welcome back to the channel, and today we've got a Tofu cute unboxing. Now I have opened this and I have eaten the snacks, but we've still got a few surprises to unbox, so here goes. These are what were the Christmas white chocolate caramel corn. They're really tasty, a little bit like sweet popcorn, but if you like caramel corn, I think it's a nice one. Oh yes, the vanilla koala march. They were very nice. Quite a sort of I'll say fake flavour of the vanilla. I didn't think it was real vanilla, but still very tasty. A little bit like a vanilla yogurt rather than something with real vanilla in it. And then next I got Hello Panda matcha flavour, so that was very tasty. I recommend those. Moving on to little Plush, this is not too sure which brand it is, but this is a little piggy keyring that I got. I'll take him out the pack actually. Little butler around the back, and he's got a little nose. Very cute. And then we've got two Gachapons, which I haven't opened, so this will be exciting. Right, the big one or little one first? Oh, I don't know. Let's do the little one. And it is, oh, it's a hamster on Pocky. I will take it out properly so you can see it. Oh, that's the best one. Oh my goodness, I'm so pleased. Oh, the tape is really strong. Oh, I see. It's on a banana. Oh, that's adorable. Can you see that? Okay. Hamster. There he is. Oh, super cute. Oh, I like him. I love those. They're very handy. And then let's see what the big one is. Oh, see, you can squeeze it. Oh, this is another hamster. If you like hamsters like I do, it's gonna be good dinner. Oh, little hamster, little feet, little tail, little squishy pillow hamster. Oh, look at him, he's so plump. Oh, I love him. I love him. I got the gold one, which is so nice. Oh, that is super cute. I'm so pleased with those. I mean, that little hamster one is just adorable. Oh, so pleased with them. So yeah, I'm not sponsored by Tofu Cute. I've paid for everything here, but I will give them a little plug because they are a very good company. I do like to order from them. They're official retailers for Muse, so there's no fakes there, it's all real. Yeah, so tofocute.com, they're really, really good. They're in Portsmouth as an actual shop, and they're very good. The postage is very reasonable to the UK, so I'm not sure about abroad because obviously that doesn't apply to me, but yeah, the UK postage is very reasonable, so yeah, it's kind of good, a little mini haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, so thanks for sticking around and tune in for more. Okay, bye.